Hi everyone. I would love to give you a little tour of my studio. One of the things that I have been trying to get better at is showing my face and showing my excitement about what I do and showing my personality. Because here's the thing, when I shoot my videos, I'm always like trying to get in the headset of like, I am a very stodgy, authoritative tailor. And it's, I mean, it makes for, I guess, decent tutorials, but it doesn't necessarily make for really great content. So here I am. Moved to a new studio not too long ago, and you can see it behind me here. It's a little bit untidy right now because I've been very, very busy for the past few weeks. But that's my cutting table back there. This gorgeous chenille brocade is about to be turned into another dress form like the one that's right behind me. That big old box of polyfill on the floor is the stuffing for it, and that right there is about 13 pounds of stuffing. Not all of it will go into this mannequin, but a good portion of it will. There's my front door, a nice big old petticoat on it, because that's how you decorate a costume shop. There's got to be a petticoat hanging somewhere. Otherwise, it's just not right. I'm also a painter, so I have an easel up here. There's one of my paintings. There's my sewing machine. It's a small space. It's quite crowded. There's my little rack and all of my storage back there. But I just wanted to invite you all in and show you where all the magic happens. There's my very messy desk behind me with my YouTube channel up. Those of you who have been my guinea pigs, I really hope that you've enjoyed the process. It's been so much fun making these big changes with everything that I'm doing. And I really hope that you'll stick with me and, just keep encouraging me. I think the help and the support that everyone's given me just to say hello or we love what you're doing or when you comment on YouTube videos, it's just fantastic. I'm going to try to make my videos a little bit more exciting because while I really love kind of doing my Bob Ross impersonation as I'm giving the direction on the videos, they can put people to sleep. And I really don't want to put people to sleep. I want people to be excited about the videos, and I want them to learn things, and I want them to be shared. So I am going to do my best to give you a little bit more of a shiny side of my personality and to just give my face in front of the camera a little bit more so that we can get to know each other better. Anyway, thanks so much for paying attention to the Modern Maker and for making beautiful things and for being excited about all of it. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.